Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to activate macros in Excel. This is actually quite simple. To do this, you first open Microsoft Excel, and as soon as you open a file with macros, there are two possibilities. Either you get a notification in a yellow bar that informs you that macros are present and with which you can temporarily activate them, or you don't get any notification at all. To change this, we go to File, Options, Trust Center and Trust Center Settings. Here we switch to the macro settings. By default, macros are deactivated in Excel, but the user is informed via a notification that they are available. If you do not receive any information about this, the top setting is probably active for you. To activate macros in Excel, I select Enable Visual Basic Macros. But it is pointed out that this setting entails a certain security risk. Macros can hide code that is harmful to your computer. For example, the code can also bring viruses onto your system. Therefore, only select this setting if you can trust the creator of the macro or if it is your own code. After this, I click on OK twice, and now macros are active in Microsoft Excel. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.